this video, we're going to be unboxing the Donner DUC 400 Concert Ukulele. I want to thank Chiara from Donner for sending this to me. I'm really excited to see what this is all about. So, let's get started. It's a typical ukulele box. So, already I can see in here we have quite a few things, quite a few accessories. We have some clear fluorocarbon extra set of strings. That is awesome. I don't think I've ever bought a ukulele and had extra strings that came with it, so that's really cool. We have a digital tuner with a battery in it. That's pretty cool. Usually you have to buy these separately, but I'm noticing as ukuleles become more and more popular, they come with these kits and lots of accessories, so you can just take stuff out of the box and start playing right away. This is great. You have a set of 4 guitar picks, which it's not super common for people to play the ukulele with a guitar pick, but you know, it's nice to have the option there if that is your preference. Ooh. Now this is pretty nice. Looks like a microfiber cleaning cloth, so you can keep your wood nice and shiny. And it comes with a strap. Oh, that is awesome. That is really, really cool. I've usually had to buy straps separately from the instruments, and this is a pretty cool pattern. Kind of reminds me of like the friendship bracelets from summer camp. So that's pretty neat. And finally, we've got the actual instrument itself. This comes in a very, very sturdy bag with a pocket, zip up, and 2 straps if you want to have it on your back. If you're traveling and want to have both hands free, that's pretty neat. Is there anything in the pocket? No, but the pocket itself has lots of padding just in case you're carrying something breakable like a tuner inside there. That is awesome. I really like this design with the palm trees and the music note on the D for Donner. That's really cool. Like I said, I've never seen or heard of this brand before, so this is pretty neat. But the most important thing is, what does the instrument sound like? So let's take a look, see what's in this bag. Okay, we've got some good, packaging to protect the instrument. Extra foam around the tuning things. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Ooh. I haven't had a new uke in a while. This is really nice. Wow. It says we've got Ocula Super Nile Gut strings. Donner technology. Ooh, little chord chart thing to get you started on. That's really neat. Oh, I don't know if I'll probably take a picture of it so you can actually see it, but the illustrations are like pictures of your hand going in certain positions, which I think is pretty neat. This is so pretty. I don't think I've had a concert ukulele like this. Like I said, this is a concert-sized ukulele. I have never seen this before. Some enclosed gear tuners, so the gears don't get caught up in anything. That's pretty neat. I don't think I've seen anything like that before. Now, specifications from the website tell me that this is a 23-inch instrument. The back and the sides are quadruple A African mahogany. And the body top is quadruple A solid top mahogany. I don't know what the difference is. I will figure it out and put it in writing here. What I will tell you is that it doesn't feel cheap like a lot of inexpensive instruments can kind of feel like they're a little bit on the plasticky side. We know this is wood. It's got a beautiful little palm tree rosette carved in around the sound hole there. We have dots on the inlays and on the top here, just to help you when you're playing your bar chords, 18 frets, which is standard for a concert ukulele. I do like the choice of, it looks like acrylic tuning pegs. So that's pretty nice, and they're screwed in nice and secure. And right now holding it, I feel like it's very comfortable. It's good for my size, it's good for an adult-sized person. I think that a kid could also play it if they're, getting up into junior high age or maybe 5th or 6th grade. This could be good for kids' fingers. Probably not much younger though. Now the tuner I just want to mention was really, really easy to get out of the package. Sometimes I get frustrated with stuff like that if it's hard to open. It was really easy to put the battery inside as well. So if you have limited strength in your fingers, you don't have to worry about that. Okay, and I know that this is not about the tuner, but it's about the ukulele, but I want to mention that there's a kind of swivel on the tuner that makes it really, really easy to change the angle based on where you clip it, which I think is a really neat feature. It doesn't limit you to having to clip any one way. Now I do want to say there is a little bit of a glitch on these tuners. I'll show you what I mean by that. So it is a really good tuner in that it tells you when it's in tune. It'll flash green, but in this particular tuner, it seems like a couple of the little lines and dots that tell you what note you're actually playing are not illuminating. So I wonder if that is a glitch in manufacturing, or I'm not sure what's going on. If you are comfortable with your notes and you know that the notes are G, C, E, A, and you know what they sound like relative to each other, this shouldn't be a big deal. But if you are brand new to playing and brand new to music, this will be a pretty big problem. So you might want to consider maybe getting a different tuner separate from this one. And then if yours actually works, then you can just return the other tuner. So I'm dying to tune it and play it. Let's see what it sounds like. Now let's say that you are brand new at this instrument and you've never played or tuned one before. First thing you want to do before you tune your instrument is you want to give your strings a nice stretch. You don't want to be like insanely forceful, but you want to make sure that they are going to have the elasticity to be able to be tuned and then to stay in place once they're tuned. Now it's somewhat tuned. Let's get it ready to play. I noticed that there is a button here for the strap and another button here for the strap. But I gotta tell you, being a little less familiar with the strap world, I'm not sure if the one with the string goes on this one, or I think I'm gonna try that. The one with the string will go here and the one not on the string will go there. If you know otherwise, then let me know. Okay, I ended up tying it like a little bow here and double knotting it so it doesn't undo, you know, like those of us who grew up wearing sneakers. So let's talk about the sound. Let's talk about what it sounds like. It's a little bit of a brighter sound than I'm used to, but I also am used to mostly playing the tenor ukulele, so I'm not 100% on totally even ground when it comes to knowing what the sound should be on its own. But I like it. It's nice and it's bright. It's really bright. It's bright, but it's not overpowering. So if you are wanting to maybe sing softly, this might be a good solution. So I'm thinking about the action and I'm looking at this and I'm noticing that towards the head of it, the strings are pretty close to the fretboard, but as we go farther, they're a little bit farther away, and that's because the bridge is kind of high set. That, I believe, is something that you can get adjusted if you need to get it adjusted, but I do like how low they are, how close they are to the frets that are closer to the heads. That will make it really, really easy for beginners to start to build their hand strength. What if I was doing some... I really like how it tunes with itself as I play the chords. Sometimes when you get a really cheap ukulele, the fret strings are not really quite spaced the right way, or they could be crooked, and that will severely change the intonation of the string when you play a chord. But this seems to be pretty good. It seems to be really well made. I like how it feels. I like the sound. Something I noticed when I was tuning it is that these tuning pegs are really easy to move fluidly, and that's going to make it really nice to adjust if you need to make tiny adjustments on the tuning of the strings. So that's the Donner DUC 400 Concert Ukulele, mahogany. Thank you so much, Donner, for sending me this and for giving me a chance to play your lovely instrument. This would be a fabulous option if you were starting on your very first instrument. It's very affordable. I believe it's less than $100. So check out the affiliate link I have in the description of this video for details. And if you want to check out different sizes, it'll be there too. Hope you enjoyed this. Stay mindful, stay musical, and stay out of trouble.